my name is Anushalu and welcome to a very special edition of Question Me Monday. So you all must be wondering that what mistake have I made? We'll get to that, don't you worry. So from the last 3 days, that is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and we came back on Sunday. I've been in Dapoli. Dapoli, as you've seen, I've already made a vlog on Dapoli, but we decided to go to Dapoli again. Now why we decided to go to Dapoli again is because we definitely felt that there is something in Dapoli. There is something about Dapoli that got us back to Dapoli. He has that capacity to exceed his limits and show us a lot of things more than what we saw even at the previous time. So what was and is my biggest mistake was that I shot the vlog for Dapoli the previous time and not this time. Now the question is, what would have happened if I would have shot the vlog to Dapoli this time? I mean, absolutely y'all would have been blown away with the amazing amount of things that I did this time at Dapoli. Absolutely 100% one of my, hands down, one of my best trips ever. Not taking in the amount of jungles which I've been to. So a non-proper wildlife sanctuary or non-proper national park trip, one of my best, absolutely. My expectations were not too much from Dapoli. Yes, we got to see the dolphins again, but that was not the highlight, because at night the manager of the resort, his brother, took us in the jungles of Dapoli. Now, there are not too many animals to be scared of in the jungles of Dapoli. You can find jackals, you can find hyenas, and you can find leopards. So there are no bears, there are no tigers. So we went walking. We were walking in the middle of the jungle, and I think so the time was approximately 11:30 in the night. So it was amazing walking through the jungle so late at night in Dapoli. That was an amazing experience. Second of all, the following day in the morning, the manager of the resort took us kayaking at the backwaters of the Arabian Sea, and it was amazing doing kayaking. It's a new thing which I haven't tried before. And many of y'all must have done kayaking, but जिन लोगों ने नहीं किया है kayaking, definitely y'all need to do it. Another highlight of the trip was seeing the Indian mongoose so close to us. Absolutely fantastic watching those mongooses. I'll narrate the entire scene what happened. So we had gone for kayaking in the morning, and you have to go turn by turn because there are not too many kayaks. So once my turn was over, I was just moving around that place, exploring a bit. I saw a lot of birds. I saw the purple heron. So while moving around the place, I encountered a mongoose, but I could not photograph it properly enough. So I asked the manager who had taken us to kayaking that if there was any place where we could particularly see and sight mongooses, and he said yes sir, एक गांव के पास है एक एरिया जंगल का जिसमें mongooses अच्छे से दिखते हैं. So I said, let's do it man, let's go there. And in the evening he took us there, and boy, I have never spent so much amount of time with a single mongoose. I mean, seriously, when you're in the jungle and you're after mongooses, you get to see mongooses or shoot mongooses for approximately 20 seconds maximum, but you're for approximately 15 to 20 minutes you're with one single mongoose. I mean, incredible. So that was one major thing which I could not believe that I could not show y'all in my first vlog. But I'm happy that we have something like Question Me Monday, and somebody had asked me that whether you want to go to Dapoli again or not, and I was like, let's make a Question Me Monday on this. Another thing which I enjoyed a lot, which I didn't get to do last time, was driving in the jungle at 12 o'clock in the night. I mean, we took our car to a particular bridge, we left our car over there, and then we went in the jungle walking. Then we came back from there, and approximately 12 or 12:15 in the night, I was driving the car in the middle of the jungle. I tell you, I haven't experienced so much of fear since a long time. If you're sitting in the car, it's a different experience. But if you're driving it at 12 midnight, in the middle of nowhere, no habitat, no street lights, no nothing. We stopped the car on the side and we switched off the headlights, and trust me, it was absolutely pitch dark. You couldn't even see your hand in front of your face. I mean, experiencing that itself is something so special and so amazing that I would recommend that all of y'all take out time, go to jungles, try out different experiences, because that always works out to be got into your bucket list, and absolutely that's one thing which you need to do. And if you can't, keep watching my vlogs, because we will go to the jungle very very often. Hey guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel guys. I really enjoy speaking about Dapoli, and I so wish that I had made the vlog the second time, but I never knew that this was coming. But absolutely enjoyed the trip and enjoyed sharing my experiences with y'all. Definitely I will keep this incident in mind, and every single time I go to any national park, I go to any place, I will make a vlog on it, even if it is the second time. It's okay if I don't even upload that vlog. It's absolutely fine with me, because you guys entertainment and you guys getting happy and having a smile on your face while you're watching my video is most important to me. So if you have that smile on your face, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Give it a big fat thumbs up. See you guys next time on my channel. I told you to sit at the beginning of the video, not at the end. Should we cut it? That's a cut? Cut.